Hey guys, this is my first video and the topic is chemical basis of life. You know that the bodies of all organisms are made up of varieties of chemical compounds which are formed due to the bonding of naturally existing elements in different ways. Chemicals in a living body. There are only 25 elements in a living body out of 92 elements present in nature. They are located in different places in our body in different forms. The most common four elements in our living body are carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. Other than above, sulfur, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, and chlorine are essential for survival of organisms. In here, you can see the main four elements in a human body in percentages. The major part of our body is contained oxygen in 65%, carbon in 18%, hydrogen in 10%, nitrogen in 3%. In this chart, you can see the elements in a human body. The main four elements we discussed earlier, and other than it, calcium and all others. This indicates the other chemical elements in our human body. Calcium is indicated by 2%, all others also indicated by 2%, and in addition, we can take 4% of our body is contain all other chemical elements. Chemical compounds that build up the living matter. This can be divided into two categories as organic and inorganic. Organic compounds contain carbon, inorganic compounds don't contain carbon. For an example, for organic compound, we can take carbohydrate. For an example, for inorganic compound, we can take water. But there are some inorganic compounds like carbon monoxide, bicarbonate, carbon dioxide, and carbonates, which contain carbon. In here, you can see a diagram of our digestion. The food passes through the mouth, get chewed, and it passes through the esophagus to the stomach for an acidic bath, and it goes to small intestine and to the large intestine, and it passes through the anus as feces. Food contain nutrients, right? Food contain nutrients. These nutrients taken to our food by this digestion period. The nutrients that we taken from the food can be categorized into two groups as macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are the nutrients that use in our body in larger amounts. Micronutrients are the nutrients that use in our body in small amounts. For an example, for macronutrient, carbohydrate can be taken. For micronutrients, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, chlorine, sodium, potassium can be taken. In this slide, you can see the carbohydrated food, protein food, and lipid food. And above and the below, you can see the four biomolecules in a human body: carbohydrate, protein, and lipids, and nucleic acid. In summary, now you know what are the chemicals in a living body, how the biomolecules or chemical compounds are dividing, how the nutrients are dividing, what are the biomolecules in a living body. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time in my next video about biomolecules in detail. Bye.